Point number 6, that we should ban the products of Israel and ban the products of those countries that are supporting Israel, so that we put an economic pressure on them. And we find this is happening in many of the Muslim countries, including Malaysia, that they're banning the products of Starbucks, of McDonald's, of KFC, and you find that the business is dwindling. So much so that now they want to give free burger, they want to give free chicken, and so on and so forth, trying to attract the people. We should see to it that this should be sustained. We boycott the products of Israel and boycott the products of those countries that are supporting the unjust cause of Israel. Point number 7, that every Muslim should donate whatever possible in his capacity for the Palestinian cause. And while giving donation, the amount is not important, the percentage is important. And I always say that if a person who earned $1,000 a month and he donates $100 for the Palestinian cause, he is donating 10% of his monthly income. On the other hand, if a billionaire who earns $1 billion a month, from that he donates $1 million for the Palestinian cause, $1 million of $1 billion is 0.01%, whereas $100 of $1,000 is 10%. So the person who earns $1,000 and donates $100 for the Palestinian cause will get 100 times more sawab than a person who earns $1 billion a month and donates $1 million. Because $100 is 10% of his income, and $1 million of a person who earns $1 billion a month is 0.1% of his income. So the person who donates $100 after earning $1,000 will get 100 times more sawab than a person who donates $1 million after he earns $1 billion. So while giving charity, you cannot say I'm poor. Whatever you are, whatever you have, how much are you willing to sacrifice? What percentage of your income, whether it be $1 or $10 or $1,000 or $1 million, Allah will look at the percentage, not on the amount. And therefore I say to all the people, whether rich or whether middle class or whether poor people, that make it a habit to give a percentage of what you earn in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and see how your income, how your earnings, how your savings keep on increasing.